A dog is the only thing on earth that loves you more than he loves himself. These words from American humorist Henry Wheeler Shaw show why dogs are regarded as man's best friend. Dogs know how to love you unconditionally. They are also extremely social, loyal, watchful, and beautiful too. Today, Blush and Laugh presents the top 10 most beautiful dog breeds in the world. Well, all dogs are beautiful, and people mostly like German Shepherd, Alaskan, and dogs like Labrador, but miss out some of the most beautiful dog breeds in some which are hard but mostly are easy to train. Dogs are beautiful animals, both inside and out. But when it comes to appearance, these dogs can't be matched. These 10 are the most beautiful dogs in the world. Well, we do agree with it. So make sure you guys like, comment, and there's a subscription reminder too. Number 10. Pomeranian. Pomeranian is a very popular active dog and a lovely breed in the world. This small breed has a thick double coat. It comes in a wide variety of colors including sable, red, orange, lavender, brindle, merle, chocolate, and cream. The long outer coat gives Pomeranian breed a unique appearance. This cute small breed, also called Poms, Pomeranian only weighs between 1.3 to 3.3 kg and measures 7 to 12 inches in height. They are very easy to train and learn commands very fast. They love to learn new tricks from you and excel at obedience. The Poms are extremely loyal to their family and they are alert and suspicious of strangers. This number 9. Siberian Husky. The pretty Siberian Husky looks like a wolf and known for its friendliness and loyalty. They have a very thick coat that comes in a wide range of colors. In fact, the coat of the Siberian Husky is thicker than most of the other breeds. Huskies also have varieties of markings on the face besides the colorful thick coat. The almond-shaped multicolored eyes give Siberian Husky a unique look. The strong Siberian Huskies stand 21 to 24 inches high and weighs between 22 to 28 kg. To make them an obedient active dog, you need to train them well. Siberian Huskies are very intelligent. They will learn all the instructions and commands from the masters very quickly. This energetic breed can pull sleds for long distances. The Siberian Huskies always like to involve in some kind of activities. Number 8. Golden Retriever. The smart, beautiful, and good-natured Golden Retriever is one of the most popular dog breed in the world. This cheerful dog has beautiful, dense, water-repellent coat, comes either straight or wavy. As the name indicates, the color of their coat appears in different shades of golden color. Besides the beauty, the Golden Retriever is an ideal rescue dog, obedient, intelligent, and energetic. A fully grown Golden Retriever stands 22 to 24 inches in height and weighs up to 35 kg. They need to be socialized and trained well from early ages. The Golden Retriever shed throughout the year. Daily combing is must to keep their beautiful coat in a good condition. Number 9. Beagle. It is a pretty moderately sized coat that looks like a miniature foxhound. It is one of the most popular breed in the US. Beagles have broader head and a shorter square muzzle. This breed stands at a height between 14 to 16 inches and weighs up to 11 kg. Their eyes are large and ears are as long, low-set ears. They come in variety of colors including tricolor, white, red, and lemon, with the tricolor brown shading on black and white parts being the most common. Beagle is an extremely social and intelligent dog. They make strong bond with the family members. It is also a great kid-friendly breed. Number 6. Akita Inu. Akita Inu is a large and a beautiful dog that originally breed in Japan. There are two kinds of Akitas in the world, Japanese and American. Japanese Akita appears only in 5 different color variations including pure white, fawn, red, sesame, and brindle. But American Akitas come in all dog colors. This large breed weighs between 34 to 54 kg and reach up to a height of 26 inches. Training can be a challenge for Akita and assertive, strong-willed, and bores easily. They may use this intelligence in ways that suits their own purpose, yet owners know how to lead will find them eminently trainable and via praise and reward methods. Akitas are not a good choice for the first-time dog owners. They're extremely faithful to animals. Before going to the 5th point, we have a little surprise for your pet. Lambic presents 2-in-1 multifunctional pet lick bowl, the happy eating time of your pet. Our bowl is made of a very soft edible grade silica gel which is easy to carry. It is equipped with brush or a spatula. This lick mat has unique design to slow down your pet's eating. There are powerful suction cups on the back and they can easily be fixed on a smooth surface. Bowl material is safe to use in any environment and is very easy to clean. Slow licking improves digestion and metabolism and reduces the probability of obesity and bloating. This silicone licking bowl mat is tested for high durability and heat resistance, which makes it also suitable for machine washing. High quality silicone does not allow stains to penetrate this material. By this functional licking bowl, your pet can have fun while eating, eat slowly, patrons, keeps them busy for a while and give your pet a healthy eating habit. It helps with their digestion and keeps your puppy slim. Regular use of our licking bowl will reduce the anxiety, boredom, or destructive behavior of your pet. Less stress and anxiety helps them get proper sleep time. So what are you waiting for? Order now and make your pet smile. Just click on the link available in the description below and make these awesome products for your pet. Order now and make your pet smile. The link is available in the description below. Thank you. Now back to the video. Number 5. The Alaskan Malamute. Alaskan Malamute is a large and powerful dog breed. It is one of the oldest dog breeds in the world. They are originally bred to weight pulling. Today, this beautiful breed is very popular among family pets. Alaskan Malamute dogs also have a thick and a colorful coat. Alaskan Malamutes come in different color shades including light gray, sable, black and white, gray and white, and red and white. The pretty Alaskan Malamutes also have an impressive markings on their face and neck. The thick and the colorful coat also gives Malamutes to a wolf-like appearance. Alaskan Malamutes are very friendly, so they are not suitable as watchdogs, but they are very loyal to the family members. The Malamutes great with children and other pets, and they weigh up to 40 kilograms and 25 inches in height. Number 4. Bernese Mountain Dog. The Bernese Mountain Dog is a large, beautiful breed that originally breed in Switzerland. It is one of the varieties of Swiss Mountain Dogs. This pretty breed has a thick tricolored coat. The chest of the Bernese Mountain Dogs are black and white. Bernese Mountain Dog has rust-colored markings on eyes, mouth, and front legs. Their bushy tail is carried below and ears are triangular in shape. The strikingly colored thick coat of this breed also gives prevention against weather threats. Bernese Mountain Dogs have a length between 24 to 28 inches and weighs up to 50 kg, and they are very intelligent and learn tricks so easily. Bernese Mountain Dogs are extremely loyal and protective. They like to be with you always. Number 3. Icelandic Sheepdog. This extremely social and pretty breed was originally brought to Iceland by Viking settlers between AD 874 and 930. For many centuries, Icelandic dogs helped them protect their lambs. This watchful breed also has a portrait on their native Iceland. This thick coat helps them to survive in extreme cold weather. The color of their coat varies as golden, black, tan, and red. This medium-sized breed has a height of 12 to 16 inches and weighs between 9 to 14 kilograms. This breed is social, affectionate, playful, friendly, and making it a great option for families. Icelandic sheepdogs are great with children, other animals, and pets. Their coat comes in both long and short types. Number 2. Miniature Schnauzer. Miniature Schnauzer is a small dog known for its distinguishable whiskers and coat. In fact, their coat is double coat, a hard outer coat over a soft undercoat. It's a German breed and very popular in US and Europe. The beauty of the miniature Schnauzer dog is described by its long fur on the legs, bushy eyebrows, and beard. They are extremely loyal, affectionate, intelligent, playful, and alert. This small and pretty dog only has a height between 12 to 14 inches and weighs up to 7 kg. Its coats come in different colors including black, white, silver, salt, and pepper. Miniature Schnauzers are very devoted to their family and where they live. This breed loves to live indoors and they are productive and suspicious of strangers. Number 1. Chow Chow. Chow Chow is a powerful lion-looking-like dog that originally breed in northern China. This breed also has a dense coat that comes from either rough or smooth. The lion-looking-like horns come from a thick fur on the neck. This breed comes in 5 colors: red, black, cream, cinnamon, and blue. Apart from the eye-catching appearance, Chow Chow are known for their skills in protection and hunting. A fully grown Chow Chow has length between 17 and to 20 inches and weighs up to 32 kg. Chow Chow dogs are independent and stubborn, and they should be trained well in their puppyhood itself. It's a very dominant breed and they demand your attention and care. Undoubtedly, a well trained Chow Chow could be a great family dog and they get along well with other pets. So, do you have any of these dog breeds, and share your experiences in the comments? So, if you like a video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Goodbye.